Welcome to the second installment in Diecast X Magazine's video build-along series featuring the 1/8 scale Back to the Future DeLorean from Eaglemoss Collections. I'm Matt Boyd, executive editor of Diecast X. As you know if you've watched the first video, this giant diecast is built in a series of sub-assembly kits that are mailed to you every few weeks. We are building it kit by kit, just like you would be if you ordered your own. In these videos, you'll get an opportunity to see what's involved in the build and get to see up close the detail and the construction quality of the model as it goes together. Today we will be tackling kit number 3. Kit 3 has us assembling the first of the 4 wheels, the left front. Okay, so here we go with kit number 3. Looking in the manual, we can see that the assembly here is the front tire. In fact, I believe it's the left front tire. So it's a pretty simple assembly this time. We've got a page of instructions here. The booklet also has a lot of material on the movie, background information on the production, the involvement of Steven Spielberg, some design elements on the original movie car, the drawings and the illustrations, and then a bit on the casting of Marty and of Doc Brown. But we're here to, and a sneak preview of what's coming up next. We won't look at that too close. But what we're here to do is assemble this piece, so let's get to work. As you can see, I've already taken the kit pieces out of the package, the outer packaging, just to make things a little simpler. And I brought along a magnetic park stitch, just to keep track of some of these screws if that becomes necessary. Won't know yet. So as we've seen previously, the parts are labeled nicely. The Phillips head screws, BP, B-size Phillips heads, and a couple of other small pieces. So I'm not sure how important the part stitch will be this time, but we've got it. So, okay, step 1, we've got the rim, the outer wheel, which we'll put over here. You know what? Let me just go ahead and get these parts out of the casing, just to make things a little cleaner and simpler. Slide this down so you can see it a little better. This wheel, drum, for lack of a better term, is metal. You can't necessarily see that on the camera, but it's a hefty piece of die cast. So we've got, again, another sign of the sturdiness of the kit and the quality of the materials, which I like. So we're going to press fit that into the tire. Get the bead to sit. Looks pretty good. Now we simply put the rim, 3 screw holes, sit just like that. We do have an extra screw. Don't know that it'll come into play, but never hurts to have a spare. I'm going to take our screwdriver that they gave us in the first kit. Again, this fine-tipped Phillips that's worked with the first 2 kits, and again, fits these screws nicely. Seat the first one. Tighten that 3rd screw. Check the others. Check the look. Looks nice and even. So step 3, we take the hub and the washer. Now we'll drop this hub straight in, press it, fits firmly, just like that. We have one assembled front tire. And that does it for kit number 3. So there you have it, kit number 3. Nothing too complicated this time, but with this wheel we've got another essential component ready to bolt on as the rest of the car comes together. In the meantime, I'll stash this away for later with the pieces from kits 1 and 2. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to join us for the next episode of Diecast X's video build-along of the Eaglemoss Back to the Future DeLorean.